Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a ham and cabbage soup. I'm also going to be making some canned jalapenos, so if you haven't seen that video yet, make sure y'all stay tuned for that, okay? I have made like a cabbage soup before, but it was more so like a detox soup, and this is pretty much kind of similar, but just using a little bit different ingredients, okay? Before we get started, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon. It is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really throw you up.
Alright, so we're going to add a little oil and let it get super hot. Then we're just going to saute this ham first. You can use ham, bacon, or whatever kind of meat you want. And I'll show y'all how I cut this ham or what kind of ham it is. It's pretty thick. It's just one little slice, but it came out to be a lot. Onion, celery, and carrots. Now we're going to season it with salt, thyme, Italian, and black pepper. Got our potatoes. I wasn't even going to do potatoes, but I decided to do it because I had some extra ones. Now we're going to add our cabbage. And I'll show y'all how I cut that up as well. Four cups of vegetable stock. We're going to add an extra cup of water. Now we know cabbage got to cook down, so let's let it cook down a little bit. I'll come back in like 5 minutes. Bring it to a boil and come back in like 5 minutes. Oh my garlic girly. 20 minutes. Alright, so we're going to come back in 15 minutes and then we're going to add the beans. And let that cook for another 5 minutes. And these are northern beans, y'all. So fire. If y'all want more of a smoother, more thicker, y'all can just smash some of the beans up if you want. But this is pretty much done, y'all. We just gonna basically heat these beans up because these were canned beans. And I used 2 cans of navy beans. Did I say northern? I meant navy beans. Now we're just gonna let this cook for another 5 minutes and it's done, y'all. Y'all can go ahead and taste it, see if y'all need to add anything. I'm about to do the same. We don't need nothing. This is ready. Let's plate it up. A little red pepper flakes. Alright y'all, this is how it came out. Like I said, y'all can use bacon. You can also add some tomatoes, tomato sauce, whatever you want to add, y'all. This is a very hearty soup and it's very good, even though we didn't use a lot of seasonings. Don't forget, y'all, the grocery list in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
that subscribe button.